Okay, busy day today, negative day for agricultural markets. Getting through the grain stocks report was a negative for the grain markets. We'll look quickly at this. The bean number was 438 million bushels. The average guess was 398, so that was bigger than anybody thought. Corn was 2.140 billion bushels. The industry guess was 2.010. That was bigger than people thought. Wheat came out at 2.379 billion bushels. The number itself was 2.344. That looks like a little bit bigger also than anybody thought. Reaction of the market was all down. Beans were up a penny and a quarter before the report. It's closing down 9.5 at 845 and a half. High of 859 and a quarter, low of 842 and a half. The corn number that came out at the time it came out, corn was down a quarter. It's closing down 8 3/4 at 356. A high of 366 3/4 and a low in corn of 354 and a half. Then we had wheat going into its report. It was down 4 going into the grain stocks report. I'm sorry, that's wrong. It was well, it is correct. Just happened to be. It also closed down 4 at 509. I think the downward pressure in beans and corn kind of drug that down. The high was 518. The low was 505 and a half. Now let's look at cotton. Cotton market lost ground all day. It's going to close down 130 at 76.42. The low is 76.27. The high is 77.89. The stocks report today didn't have anything to do with cotton, but the negative reaction in soybeans seemed to get over into the cotton. We have seen for some days now the large speculators that are technically driven have been pushing this market down and have not run into enough buying to stop them. So they're closing at 76.42, down 130. And how much lower we can go, hard to know. Some people are calling for 76. Some people are calling for 75. The truth is, the large speculators will push it down till someone stops them. So wherever that might be. Crude oil was up $1.32, is up $1.32. That's a big move. Dollar up 25. Gold up $9 an ounce. That's pretty big. Silver up 37 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones right now is up 20. That is it. Have a good weekend. We'll see you Monday.